This year we had a group of very weak learners, but with the help of the HeyMath coordinators and the HeyMath resources that we were given, it helped the learners to improve in their results, especially in September, and we just hope that is going to improve. It will continue to improve at the end of the year. The resources that we were given, we have 4 laptops from HeyMath. We also have 2 projectors. We also have 2 screens which we use when we are presenting our lessons. The lessons have been so compact and they've helped us a lot, especially when you want to introduce a topic. And we also have the app which we were given by one of the coordinators, Frank, and this app I had to give it to the learners, and most learners had to put it on their smartphones. It is helping. It appears to be having an impact because the learners have improved a lot, especially those learners who are level 1 learners, which we were trying to make sure that at least they can get a level 2. And in this app, the learners are even asking questions anytime on our WhatsApp group, so that we'll be able to help them. And some were coming even showing me what they have done already using the app. It's quite amazing. Then we also had a lot of support during the course of the year from 2 HeyMath coordinators, Dr. Frank and Mr. Frank. They really helped us. They came to prepare the learners for September. Their target was on the learners who are the level 1 learners, and they covered topics such as equations in paper 1. They also covered probability in paper 1, since those are some of the topics where the learners can easily get marks. And they also covered analytic geometry in paper 2 and statistics in paper 2 as well. And because of their help, the marks for paper 2, they improved quite a lot compared to June, and quite a number of learners managed to pass paper 2. Even some of them who had failed in June, they managed to pass because of their support. They also came again in the 4th quarter to help in preparation for the learners for the final exam, and we really appreciate what they have been doing, and we hope they are going to continue helping our school and helping the learners at large. And at the end of the day, it will be raising the standards of living of the South Africans at large. Thank you.